Hi children, Namaste. It's phonetic time. Today we are going to learn one more new sound. It's x. What is that sound? X. It's a mix of two sounds together, k and s. It makes one more new sound, x. Okay children, let me show the pictures. What is this? Which number is this? 6, right? In which you will be able to listen to the sound 6, right? And this is a musical instrument, and I hope many children have this with you. Xylophone, xylophone. X-ray, X-ray. So we have very few sounds related to this. Let me do it one more time. 6, 6. Xylophone, xylophone. X-ray, X-ray. Let me show how this sound look like. See, this is X. Now, how to trace? It's very difficult to find out head and tail for this letter, right? But we need to start from here and we'll end up here. Okay? Are you ready with tracing fingers? So this is the sound. Now onwards, you need to practice this sound as well. Okay, children? Bye bye. Next time I'll come up with one more new sound. Take care.